What is the right hand side value? 1.4 means left hand side every value is converted to 1.4 something or 2744. It is which one? Power 3. 14 power 3 or already power 5 means we are getting power 15 or next 1.4 power 3 means that is adding or subtracting. Adding 1.96 that is 14 square or already power 2. 2 into 2 4 that is subtracting or adding. Subtracting 15 plus 3 18 minus 4 14 that is equal to square root of something or answer 196. Next. First of all, only integers are taken. 22 plus 9 31 minus 7 24 24 plus 3 sorry 24 minus 3 21. Again only fractions are adding and subtracting. What are the denominators? 5 4 2 and 20. What is the LCM? 20. 5 how many times? 4 times. 4 3s are 12. 4 5 times. 15. 2 how many times? 10 times. 20 1 time. Minus 10 minus 17 and here already plus 12 plus 15 and total it is 27 minus 27 means cancel. Okay, means this value are 0, then value 21 plus 0, 21 plus 0 we required 21 square. What is the answer? 441. Next question number 43. 3200 divided by 48. First of all 16 3 times 16 200 times 3 how many times? 25. 25 into 200 5000 plus 12 square 144 plus 80% of 50 40. Total it is 5184. It is which one square? 72 square. Next question number 44. 70% of 1680. Percent 2 zeros are cancelled. 7 into 168. 7 into 160. 1120. 7 8s are 56. That is 1176. 325 divided by 25. How much? 13. Next 40% of 1780 means 4 into 178. 4 170s 680. 4 8s are 32. Total it is 712. Okay, and what is the right hand side? 170% of 30. Percent 2 zeros are cancelled. 17 3s are 51 plus 51 and entire value is equal to 2 power something into 61. Okay, first verify the units position. 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 12 divide by which one? 61. End with 12. End with 2 means 2 power something. End with 12. What is the first option? 8. 2 power 8. End with 6. No. Second option 2 power 6. End with 4. No. 2 power 7. End with 8. No. Fourth option 2 power 5. End with 12. Yes. Fifth option end with 6. Not possible. What is the answer? 5. Fourth option is answer. Value 5 but answer 4. Next question number 45. 45% of 160. Nothing but 50% minus 5% means that is written as 72. 60% of 450. Percent 2 zeros are cancelled. 6 into 45. 270. Next 240 divided by 15. How many times? 16 times. And 1162 divided by 14. 14 almost 8 times. What is the remaining? 42. 42 means 3 times plus 83. Okay, first 72 plus 270. 342. 342 plus 16. 358 plus 83. 441. Which one square? 21 square. 46. 640 divided by 5. 128. 1398 divided by 6. 6 how many times? 2 times. Again 3 times. Again 3 times. 208 divided by 13. How many times? 16 times. 16 times. 405 divided by 45. How many times? 9 times. Okay. 16 plus 9. 25. 128 plus 25. 153 plus 233. 386 divided by 2. What is the answer? 193. Next. First priority 28 square and 26 square. Difference are none. Okay. Means a square minus b square format. A plus b into a minus b. 28 plus 26. 54. 28 minus 26. 2. 54 2s are 108. Next 25% of 468. Half again half. What is the 1/4 value? 117. 117. 16% of 850. Nothing but 16 into 8.5. What is the 16 8s are? 128. 16 into half 8. That is 136. Minus 136 equal to something. And 108 136. Difference 28. 117 minus 28. What is the answer? 117 minus 28. End with 9. 89. Question number 48. 288 divided by 8. 8 almost 3 times. Again 6 times. 5 by 8 of 112. 8 how many times? 14 times. 14 times. And 16% of which one? 400. Divide by which one? 128. First percent 2 zeros are cancelled. 16 4 the how much? 64. How many times it is? 2 times. 2 how many times here? 7 times. 7 5s are 35 plus 36. 71. Question number 49. 2304 divided by which one? 64. 64 3s are 192. What is the remaining? 38. 384. 384 means almost 6 times. 36 into 12 means 360 plus 72. 432 plus 3025. Square root of 3025. 55 minus 143 divided by 13. How many times? 11 times. That is equal to 4 into something. 55 and 11 difference 44. 432 plus 44. 476. Something equal to 476 divided by 4. What is the answer? 119. Next question number 50. 1176 divided by 24. 24 4 the 96. 96. Remaining 21. 216. How many times? 9 times. Square root of 1296. 36. And 45 into 495 divided by 11. 11 almost 45 times. 45 into 45. We are getting only 45. And 36 plus 45. 81. 81 plus 49. 130. Divide by 2. What is the answer? 65. 26% of 800. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. 26 8s are 160 plus 48. 208 minus 15% of 680. What is the 10%? 68. 5% 34. 68 plus 34. 102 plus 35% of 480. Okay. And what is the 30%? 144, 5%, 24. Total it is 168 plus 18% of 450. 20% minus 2%. What is the 20%? 90. 2% 9. It will be 81 plus 1648 divided by 16. How many times? 3, 0, sorry, 103 plus 103 or not? That is equal to 2 into something. Okay. 208 and 102. What is the difference? 106. 106. 100 plus 100. 200 plus 80. 280 plus 100. 380. Next. 68 plus 1. 69 plus 3. 72 plus 6. 78. 380 plus 78. 458 divided by 2. What is the answer? 229. కొంచెం ఓపై బట్టి చేస్తే అన్నిటికి ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకే, లాస్ట్ 10 days నుంచి వచ్చిన మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ ఇవన్నీ కాకుండా కొంచెం క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ పార్ట్ ఎక్కువ కదా, అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇన్ కేస్ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ కనుక స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఉంటే ఒక 10 questions అన్నా చేసి ఉంటారు ఆ 20 minutes టైంలో. అవి కూడా చేయలేదా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 52. What is the 7 cube? 343. 13 into 11, 143. 343 minus 143, 200. Next, 120 or 200 minus 120, 80. Next, 28% of which one? 225. Or 225% of 28 or what is the 100%? 28. 200% 56. 25% 7. 56 plus 7, 63 minus 12% of 250. Nothing but 30 or not? 12 into 2.5. How much? 30. 80 minus 30, 50 plus 63. 113. Question number 53. 9 how many times? 140. Next 11 how many times? 150. 7 into 140. 980. 8 into 150. 1200. Total it is 2180. 2180. 15 how many times? 430. 8 into 430. 3440. 3440. 19 how many times? 90 times 15 into 90. 1350 plus 1350. Okay. 80 minus 40. 40 plus 50. 90. End with 90. 21 plus 13. 34. 34 cancel. What is the answer? 90. Question number 54. What is the square root of 576? 24. Square root of 441? 21. Cube root of 6859? 90. 19 plus 21? 40 plus 64 plus 24? 64. Which one? Again we required 64 square. What is the answer? 4096. Question number 55. What is the 23 square? 529. 144 minus 80. 64. Which one square? 8. Minus 43 into 3. 129. 529 minus 129. 400 plus 8. 408. Next, 17 for the 68. Minus 68. 192 divided by 12. 16. Minus 16. 408 minus 68. 340. Minus 16 means 324. It is which one square? 18 square. Question number 56. Pie chart are given. No? 56 చూడండి ఒకసారి. The given below pie chart shows that 6 different stores sold history books on Monday is 8,000. All are given in percentage. What is the ratio in the total number of books sold by U and V together? U and V together. What is the U percentage? 16. V percentage 24. Total 40. Next Y and Z. Y 16, Z 14. Total it is 30. What is the ratio? 4:3. Next 57. The total number of books sold by stores W and X together is what percent of total number of books sold by V and Y? W and X 30 and V and Y 40. 30 by 40. What is the answer? 75%. Next question number 58. If only 3 types of books are sold by store T, economy, geography and polity, the total number of books sold by store T is 40% more than the total number of history books sold by store V. And already store V, how much percent? 24%. Compared to that one, 40% more. 40% more means we return 140% of 24% of 8,000. Yes or no? That is which value? Store T value. Store T value. Again, the ratio between the total number of 3 types of books are in which ratio? 30, 42 and 24. Total how many parts? 72 plus 24. 96 parts. Divide by 96. We are get the 1 part value. But we required which one? Geography. How many parts we need? 30 parts are multiplied by 30. Okay. Irrespective of values, 14. Which one multiple? 7 multiple. How many options are 7 multiple? First option 7 multiple. Yes. Second option no. Third option no. Fourth option no. Fifth option no. Then answer first option. Question number 59. The total number of books sold by stores W and Z together is approximately what percent more or less than the total number of books sold by stores Y and X? W and Z 18 and 14. How much? 32. Y and X 16 plus 12 28% lesser. How many parts? 8:7. How many parts are less? 1 part. 1 upon 7. 1 by 7 means 14. 2 by 7%. What is the nearest value? 15. Next question number 60. What is the average number of books sold by V, X, Y, W? V is how much? 24. X 12. W 18 and 16. Total it is total 70. 70% of which one? 8,000. Divide by 4. What is the answer? 1400. 1400. Based on question, what is the first term? W and Z. What is the second term? Y and X. Means W and Z compared to which one? Y and X. What is the W and Z? 8 parts. What is the Y and X? 7 parts. 8 compared to 7. More possible or not? Suppose if you are getting ratio 7:8, in that case we return lesser. Okay. Question number 61. The given below table shows that 3 different stores sold 6 different types of ice creams flavors on Monday. What is the first one? The total number of strawberry flavors sold in store A and C together is approximately what percentage of the total number of buttered pecans sold in all the 3 stores together? Strawberry A and C. What is the A strawberry value? 390. C strawberry value 450. 390 plus 450. 840 is what percent of pecan in all the 3 stores? What is the pecan value? 360 plus 380 plus 440. Total it is 1180. 840 by 1180 into 100. 0 0 cancel. What is the 10%? 118. What is the 70%? 7 times or 70% means 7 times. 7 into 100, 7 into 18. 700 plus 126 or not? What is the 10%? 11.8. How many times it is? 7 times. 7 11 the 77. 7 into 0.8. 5.6. Total it is 82.6. It is closer to 70% or not? Which option? 72. What is the 10%? 11.8. 7 times we are getting 82.6. It is closer to 70% or not? Question number 62. What is the ratio between the total number of chocolate flavors sold in stores B and C together? Total number of Neapolitan flavors sold in stores A and C together. Chocolate B and C. What is the chocolate in B and C? 580 plus 560. Total it is 1140. Next, A and C Napoleon. 450 plus 390. A and C. 450 plus 540. 990 or 0s are cancelled. 9. 3 how many times? Numerator 38. Denominator 33 or no? What is the ratio? 38 is to 33. Next question number 63. The total number of strawberry and vanilla flavors sold in stores B and A together. What percent more or less than the total number of cookie and Napoleon sold in all the 3 stores together? Strawberry and vanilla B and A. What is the vanilla in both? 1050. Strawberry both 850. 1050 plus 850. 1900. Yes or no? Next, again cookie and Napoleon. All the 3 stores are no. Cookie in all the 3 stores means these 3 values are adding a 370 plus 480. 850. 850 plus 360. 1210. 1210. Next, Napoleon 450 plus 390 and 540. 450 plus 390, 840 plus 540. 1380. 1380. What is the total value? 2590. 2590. Percentage either more or less. Compared to 1900 value compared to 2590 lesser. How much value? 690 upon 2590 into 100. 0 are cancelled. What is the 10%? 25.9. 20%? 51 point something. More than 20%. More than 20%. What is the 30%? 75. Means it must be more than 20 but less than 30. Then answer 27. Question number 64. What is the average number of all the types of ice cream flavors sold by B and C together? Means B and C all the values are 450 plus 550, 1000, 580 plus 560, 1140, 460 plus 450, 910, 390 plus 540, 930, 480 plus 360, 840, 380 plus 440, 820, 820, 1000 plus 1100, 21 plus 9, 30, 39, 47, 55, 5500. Next 40 plus 10, 50, 50 plus 30, 80 plus 20, 100 plus 40, 140. Total it is 5640. 5640 divided by 2. How many items? 2 items or not? Means it is 2820 or not? Here B and C. B total value, C total value. How many items? 2 items. Next question number 65. What is the difference between the total number of vanilla and Napoleon together in all the stores together to that of strawberry, buttered, pecan together or not? vanilla, Napoleon together in all the stores. What is the Napoleon total value? 450 plus 390, 940 plus 540, 840 plus 540, 1380. Next, vanilla, 600 plus 550 plus 550, total it is 1600. Next, strawberry buttered. What is the strawberry value? 390 plus 460 plus 450, 390 plus 460, 850, 850 plus 450, 1300, 1300. Next, pecan, 360 plus 440, 800 plus 380, 1180. Okay, what are these two values sum? 2980, and these two values sum 2480. What is the difference? 500. Next, question number 72. 8 men and 10 women can working together can do a piece of work in 5 days. If 4 men and 20 women working together can do the same work in 4 days. And find how many days 12 men and 5 women together can do the twice the work. And here 8 men 5 days. 8 5 how much? 40. And second time 4 men in how many days? 4 days. 4 4 the 16. 40 and 16. What is the difference? 24. Means 24 men are. Next, 10 women 5 days. 10 5 the 50. 20 women 4 days. 24 the 80. 50 and 80 difference 30. Then 24 men equal to 30 women. Then M by W equal to which one? 6 by 5 by 6 or 6 by 5? 5 by 4 or 6 4 the 6 5 the. Men efficiency 5 parts, women efficiency 4 parts. And what is the question here? Again 12 men and 5 men together can do the twice work. First we need to identify the total work. Total work means efficiency or substitute in either first one or second one. 8 men means we written 8 into 5. 10 women means we written 10 into 4. Those are working for how many days? 5 days. That is total work. But again that work will be double or triple? Double multiplied by 2. Again the same work is completed by how many men? 12 men and 5 women. 12 men means we written 12 into 5. 5 women means we written 5 into 5. Okay, sorry, 5 into 4. 12 5 is how much? 60. 5 4 the 20. Total it is 80. 5 2 the 10. And here how many times? 8 times. 8 5 the 40. 10 4 the 40. 80. 80 by 8 means 10 days. Question number 73. The average speed of the boat M and boat N in still water is 9 km per hour. Boat M can cover 51 km upstream in 10.2 hours, while boat N can cover 41 km upstream in 41 hours. Then find the time taken by the boat N to cover a distance of 104 km downstream. Average speed of the boat M and N in still water is how much? 9 km per hour. Actually speed of the boat means M value, but here two boats are only one. Two boats. One is M, another one M, another. These two are average is given how much? 9. Then sum will be 18. Okay. Normally speed of the boat means M, but here two boats means we written one is 1 mm, another one M, another. Next, boat M can cover 51 kilometers upstream in how many hours? 10.2 hours. Normally upstream speed means we written M minus S, and this one we written M minus S equal to 51 kilometers in 10.2 hours. How many times it is? 5 times. Next, second one, boat N cover 41 kilometers upstream in 41 hours, means M N minus S or upstream speed M minus S, but here N or M? N equal to, what is the distance? 41 by 41. How many hours? 1. Sorry, how much speed? 1 hour. What is the first one speed? 5. Second one speed? 1. Simplify these two, subtracting these two. First one minus second one. We are getting M minus, these two are cancelled. These two are cancelled. M minus M N equal to how much? 4 or already sum of these two values 18. What is the difference of these two values? 4. Means M is how much? 18 plus 4, 22 by 2 means 11. Then M N value 7 or again substitute the mm value, either first one or second one. What is the mm value? 11. Minus 5 means 6. Means S value is how much? 6 or not? What is the question here? Boat N to cover a distance of 104 kilometers downstream or upstream? Downstream. What is the distance value? 104. Boat N or boat M? Boat N. What is the N value? 7. What is the S value? 6. 7 plus 6. 104 by 13. How many hours? 8 hours, sir. Boat N. M plus S. M plus S or M minus S? M plus S. But here M value is how much? 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Next question number 74. A bus starts running late by 30 minutes, so the driver increases its speed by 18 km per hour to reach the destination on the scheduled time. If the distance between the source and the destination of the bus is 180, find the original speed of the bus. And here, time difference is how many minutes? 30 minutes. What is the speed difference? 18. What is the distance value? 180. Yes or no? Compared to schedule time, how many minutes are later? 30 minutes later. Okay. Compared to original speed, 18 are more or less? More. Already we know distance equal to speed multiplied by time. What is the distance value? 180. What is the speed? Original speed we are consider S. What is the new speed? S plus 18. That is product of the speeds. What is the difference of the speeds? 18 into, what is the time difference? 30 minutes. Then we return 30 by 60. 30 by 60. 30 how many times? 2 times. 18 to the 36 or 18 into left hand side 18 into 10 into right hand side 18 into 2 or not? 18 into 2. That 18 into 2 means we return 9 into 4 or not? That is equal to S into which one? S plus 18 or not? 18 to the how much? 36. It is also written as 9 into 4 or not? Right hand side how many factors? 2 factors. What is the difference between 2 factors in right hand side? 18. Left hand side is split. Left hand side also split into 2 factors. 18 for the 72. 10 9 the 90. One is 90. Another one are 72. What is the difference between 72 and 90? 18. Then original speed are 72. What is the new speed? 90. What is the question here? Original speed. What is the answer? 72. Right hand side value 2 factors means left hand side also splitted into 2 factors. What is the right hand side factors difference? 18. Then left hand side also splitted into 2 factors, but those difference must be 18. Next question number 75. A bus starts running late by 30 minutes. Sorry, question number 75. Chandana gets a certain amount of salary invested in scheme A, offering 14% compound interest for 2 years, compounded annually. The interest earned by her is 31518 less than the amount invested by her. Then find how much amount was invested by Chandana. First of all, Chandana amount investment we are consider how much? 100%. What is the per annum rate of percent here? 14%. 14% for 2 years. 14% for 2 years. What is the compound interest we written? A plus B plus AB by 100. Compound interest successive increased or decreased? Increased. 14 plus 14, 28. 14 into 14, 196. By 100 means 1.96. Total it is 29.96%. Okay. What is the principal? 100%. What is the interest value? 29.6%. The interest earned by her is less than the amount invested by her. Means compared to principal, interest is how much percent or less? 70.04%. That is equal to how much value? 315180. But required which one? 100%. Almost how many times? First of all, 4 times are possible. 4 or 5 times? 4 times. What is the 4 times value? It is more than 4 times but less than 5 times. What is the answer? 45,000. Calculation అవసరం లేదు కదా ఇంకా. It should be more than 4 times but less than 5 times. Means it must be more than 40,000 but less than 50,000. How many options? Only one. Next question number 76. A shirt is marked up by 40% and then some discount is offered on it such that there is a profit of 30%. If the market price had been 65 rupees or more, the discount price had to be given will be thrice. Then find the cost price of the shirt. Cost price we are consider always how much? 100%. Market price here 40% more means market price are 140, and he offered some discount but there is a profit of how much? 30%. 30% profit means selling price 130%. Next time market price is how many rupees or more? 65 more. Okay. After discount he getting a profit is how much? 30%. Okay. What is the market price value? 140. What is the selling price value? 130. 140% minus 130%, that is discount or profit? Discounter. That is discount value. Second time market price is how many rupees or more? 65 more. Already market price 140. Then we return 140% minus 65, that is new market price. Yes or no? Sorry, more means plus 65. 140% plus 65. Then the discount price that had to be given will be the thrice. Means compared to new discount compared to original discount, how many times? 3 times. What is the original discount? 140 minus 30. Compared to that one, how many times? 3 times. 3 times of original discount equal to new discount. New discount means we return market price minus selling price minus 130%. What is the left hand side? Market price minus selling price. We are get the discounter. That is how many times? 3 times. That 3 times value equal to new discounter. New discount means new market price minus selling price. What is the new market price? 140% plus 65. In that 130% are selling price. Yes or no? Simplify this one. We are get the first left hand side 140 minus 130, difference 10. 10% into 3. And right hand side 140 130, difference 10%. Total it is left hand side 30% are remaining, right hand side plus 10, it will become 20. Then we return 20% equal to how much? 65. But we required cost price. How much percent we need? 100%. How many times it is? 5 times. What is the answer? 320 Next 77. 77. The average weight of a class of some students is increased by 1.5 kgs, and if a student whose weight is 56 kgs are joined the class and the average weight is increased by 2 kgs, if two students whose average weight is 51 kgs are respectively joined the class, and find how many number of students in the class initially. First of all, initial number of students we are consider n members. N members average we are consider a. N into a, that is original number of persons summed. How many persons are added in first time? Only one person. What is the person value? 56. N into a plus 56. After adding that person, the average are increased by how much? 1.5. Already how many persons? N persons. One person are increased means we return n plus 1 into average are increased by 1.5 means new average are a plus 1.5. How many unknowns are there? Two unknowns. Definitely we are taken variables. Variables తీసుకుంటేనే చేయగలుగుతాం. How many unknowns are there? Two unknowns. Number of students are unknown. Original number of students are unknown. Original average also unknown. What is the left hand side? Original sum plus 56. What is the right hand side? N plus 1 person's average value a plus 1.5. It is first one. Split the right hand side value. What is the right hand side value we written? N into a plus 1.5n plus a plus 1.5. Okay, simplify this one. Both sides n into a get cancelled. N into a cancel. What is the remaining? 1.5 n plus a equal to 56 minus 1.5. 54.5. That is first one. Next, what is the second case? Second time how many persons are joined? 2 persons. Whose average are given how much? 51. Means initial students are how much? N members. Those average are a. But how many persons are joined? 2 persons. What is the 2 persons average? 51. What is the 2 persons sum? 1 or 2 or not? After adding 1 or 2, it will be sum of how many persons? N persons are n plus 2. N plus 2. Then n plus 2 persons sum means n plus 2 into, but average are increased by how many kgs? 2 kgs. Then we return a plus 2 or a minus 2? A plus 2 or not? What is the left hand side? N person sum plus 2 person sum. Right hand side n plus 2 person sum or not? Simplify this one. We are get the again one more linear equation or not? First, split the right hand side value. N into a plus n into 2, 2n plus 2 into a plus 4 or not? Again this one we return. First of all, both side n into a cancel or not? And this one we return 2n plus 2a equal to 102 minus 4, 98 or not? 98. How many linear equations? 2 linear equations. Then first one is multiplied by 2 times. First equation is multiplied by 2 times. We are getting how much? 3n plus 2a plus 109. 109. Okay. Then take the difference between second equation, first equation minus second equation. Take the difference between first equation minus second equation. What is the difference? 3n and 2n. Difference will be n value. Okay. Plus 2a minus 2a cancel. 109 and 98. What is the difference? 11. Means number of students are how much? 11. How many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns. Definitely we are possible 2 linear equations or not? What is the answer? 11. Next question number 78. A vessel contains 600 liters of a mixture of grape juice and milk in the ratio of which one? 7 is to x. 7 is the parts, x also parts are. Next, a person added 30 liters of milk to it. The ratio of the milk to grape juice in resultant mixture becomes how much? 4 is to 5. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. First of all, initial mixture is how much? 600. In that milk and juice and milk ratio 7 is to 6. Juice and milk, what is the ratio? 7 is to x. After adding 30 liters of milk, the ratio becomes ratio of milk to grape juice 4 is to 5. Milk is how many parts? 5 parts. Juice is, milk is 4 parts, juice is 5 parts. Okay. What is the initial quantity? 600. We are adding 30 means what is the final quantity? 630. In that 630, what is the ratio? 5 is to 4. Total how many? 9 parts. 9 parts are 630. Every 1 part are 70. 4 parts are 280. And 5 parts are 350. 350. Sorry. 5 parts are 350. 4 parts are 280. And here only milk is added or water is added? Milk. Milk is added or juice is added? Milk. Means juice is constant. What is the final juice? 350. Initial juice also 350 or? Yes or no? Okay. Out of 600, juice is 350 means remaining 250 are milk or? Yes or no? What is the 7 parts value? 350. Or 350 is represents how many parts? 7 parts. Then 250 is represents 5 parts. Then x is how much? 5. Easy question or not? 350 final juice. Final juice are 350 means initial juice also 350. That is represents how many parts? 7 parts. 350 or 7 parts means remaining 250 liters are milk. The 250 are represents how many parts? 5 parts. Next question number 79. The respective ratio in the cost price of articles A and B is 2 is to 3. And if the market price of both articles A and B is 25% and 20% above the cost price, if the difference between the market prices of both the articles is 220, and what is the find the cost price of article A. What is the first one cost price? 2 parts. Second one 3 parts. Suppose first one cost price we are consider 200%. Second one cost price 300%. First one marked up how much percent are above? 25% above. What is the 25% of 200? 50. Total it is 250. What is the 25% of 200? 50. 200 plus 50. 250. Next, out of 300, how much percent are above? 20%. What is the 20% of 300? 60. 300 plus 60. 360. One is 250%, another one 360%. These two are market prices or selling prices? Market prices. What is the question here? Difference between the market prices are 220. What is the difference between these two values? 110%. What is the 110% value? 220. What we required? Cost price of article A. How much percent we need? 200%. What is the answer? 400. Next question number 80. The diameter of a hemisphere is 50% of the which one? Side of a square. The perimeter of a square is given how much? 112. Find the volume of the hemisphere. First of all, diameter of a hemisphere is 50% of the side of a square. Perimeter of a square 112 means side of a square are 28. Side of a square 28 means diameter of a hemisphere means 2 are equal to half of the 28. What is the half of the 28? 14. Then 2 how many times? 7 times. Radius of the sphere hemisphere is how much? 7. What is the question here? Volume of a hemisphere. What is the volume of hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. And in place of pi, already how much value are given? 3. Means 2 by 3 into pi value 3 r cube. 343 or 3 get cancelled. 343 into 2. 686. Next, PO paper. Question number 40, PO paper. Question number 41. A vessel contains banana juice and milk in the ratio of which one? 9:13. If some quantity of banana juice is added to the mixture, then the resultant quantity of banana juice is equal to the milk. The newly added banana juice is what part of the initial mixture? Initial mixture, banana is how many parts? 9 parts. And milk is how many parts? 13 parts. Next, if some quantity of banana juice is added to the mixture, some quantity of banana juice is added to the mixture. Suppose if it is added x, it is added to the x, and then the resultant quantity of banana juice and equal to which one? Milk. Means these two are equal. How many parts are difference? 4 parts. What are the 4 parts value? X. Okay. Means added quantity is how many parts? 4 parts. What is the question here? The newly added banana juice, how many parts are added? 4 parts. Upon which one? What part of the initial mixture? Initial mixture means 9 parts plus 13. How many parts? 22 parts. Multiplied by 100. What is the value? 9 parts by, 4 parts by 22 parts into 100. 2 times 2, 11 times. What is the value? 2 by 11. We required only what part? What is the answer? 2 by 11. Next question number 42. A shopkeeper has 350 grams of a sugar, a part of which he sells at 12.5% profit and remaining at 8.33% profit. If he gains 10% on the whole transaction, find the quantity of sugar sold at 8.33% profit. 12.5% means what is the fraction? 1 by 8 means first time profit 1 by 8. What is the second time profit? 8.33%. What is the fraction? 1 by 12 means second time profit are 1 by 12. But overall you getting 10% profit. What is the fraction? 1 by 10. Okay. On quantity 1, you getting a profit of 1 by 8. On quantity 2, you getting a profit of 1 by 12. On both the quantities, you getting a profit of 1 by 10. Okay. By using allegation, we are get the ratio 1 by 10 and 1 by 12. 2 by 10 into 12. Another one, 2 by 10 into 8. 2 get cancelled. 10 also cancel. What is the ratio? 2:3. Actually 1 by 12 is to 1 by 8. Then we are getting 2:3. Denominator means what is the ratio? 2:3. Total how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts equal to how many grams? 350 grams. But required quantity sold by 8.33%. Means second quantity or first quantity? Second quantity. How many parts we need? 3 parts. What is the answer? 210. 5 how many times? 70. 70 into 3, 210. Here conversion is important. Percentage converted to fraction is important. Next question number 43. Boat X takes 22 hours to travel from point M to N and come back to point O, which is a midway between M and N. If the speed of the boat is 10.5 in still water and the speed of the stream is 1.5 km per hour, then find the distance between M and N. And river flows which one? N to M. River flows M to N. Suppose it is M to N. What is the M to N distance? Suppose D kilometers are taken. M to N distance D kilometers. Boat moving from M to N, but river is moving N to M. Means which direction? Opposite direction. Upstream or downstream? Upstream. Means a boat travel from point M to N, come back to point O, which is midway between M and N. First of all, it is traveled M to N means boat is moving M to N, but river is moving from N to N. N to M means which direction? Opposite direction. Means relative speed. Upstream or downstream? Upstream speed. But distance is covered D kilometers. Means D by M minus S or M plus S? M minus S. What is the M value? 10.5. What is the S value? 1.5. 10.5 minus 1.5. 9 plus another one. It is M to N means one will be boat, another one N to M. But one more point are given. And come back to the point O. Come back to the point O means again it is N to O or not? N to O. In that N to O, both are moving in which direction? Same direction. Boat is moving from N to O, river also moving N to O. Okay, means that is downstream or upstream? Downstream. But distance is covered. Half distance or total distance? Half distance. Because O is the midway between M and N. Means O2 distance is half of N to O distance is half of the total distance. Means D by 2, that is covered with a speed of M plus S or M minus S? M plus S. Because N to O boat is moving. N to O river also moving. Both are moving in which direction? Same direction. Same direction means relative speed. Downstreamer means both the speeds are 10.5 plus 1.5. How much? 12. D by 9 plus D by 2 by 12 equal to how much? 22 hours. 22 hours. Two cases. First one M to N. Second one N to O. In M to N case, boat is moving M to N. River is moving N to O. In that case, it will be upstream. Again, the same boat from N to O, river also N to O means same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. That is considered downstreamer. These two are adding, we are get the total time or not? What is the total time are given? 22 hours. And first one D by 9, second one D by 24. What is the LCM? 36. 9 how many times? 4 times. 24. 36 or 48? D by 9 plus how much? D by 24 equal to how much? 22 or not? What is the LCM? 72. 9 how many times? 8 times. 24 3 times. 8 plus 3 11. 11 D by 72. 11 how many times? 2 times. 72 into 2 144. Next question number 44. 44th question. Train M and train N between two stations X and Y. Train M starts at 10 am from station X. and train N starts from station Y at 10:48 am. Train N and train M meets each other in 5 hours 54 minutes from the starting time of which one? Train N. Means they will meet after 10:48 or before 10:40? After 10:48. And speed of the train M is how much? 75. If the distance between station X and station Y is how much? 762. Find the speed of the train N. First of all, from 10 to 10:48, which one are traveled? Only first train or second train? First train. 10 am to 10:48. How many minutes? 48 minutes. That 48 minutes only first train are traveled. What is the first train speed? 75. Then we return 75 into how many minutes are traveled? 48 minutes. Divide by 60. Speed into time, we are get the distance. 15 how many times? 5. 15 4 times. 4 how many times? 12. 12 5 is how much? 60. That is 60 kilometers. Out of 762 kilometers, already 60 is covered by number. 762 minus 60. What is the remaining? 702. That 702 is covered by both the trains after 10:48 or before 10:48? After 10:48. From 10 to 10:48, first train already covered 60. What is the remaining distance? 702. That 702 is covered by both the trains after 10:48 on which direction? Opposite direction. Opposite direction, what is the relative speed? Sum of the speeds. And one more, 702 kilometers is distance. It is covered, how much time are taken? 5 hours 24 minutes. 702 by 5 hours 24 minutes. 24 minutes means 24 by 60. 524 by 60. 12 2s are 12, 5s are. Total it is 27 by 5 hours. Okay. Numerator distance, denominator time. Distance by time, we are get the speed on which direction? Opposite direction. What is the relative speed? Sum of the speeds are. What is the first one speed? 75 plus what is the second one speed? S2. 75 plus S2 equal to 702 by 27 by 5. 27 how many times? 27 2s are 54. What is the remaining? 162. 162 means 6 times. 26 into 5. 130. 130. Out of 130, already first one 75. Then S2 is how much? 55. Regular question, but here 10 and 10:48 are given. That is important. Next question number 45. A person invested in two schemes A and B. Invested 9860 in scheme A, offering 10% simple interest for how many years? Y years. And while 8600 in scheme B, offering 20% per annum simple interest for Y minus 3 years. If the total interest received from both the schemes is 8370, find the value of Y minus 3. Y minus 3. We required which one? Y minus 3. What is the first one time period? 5 years. Second one time period? Y minus 3. Definitely Y value more than 5 or less than 5? More than 5, more than 3 or less than 3? More than 3 or not? More than 3. Suppose if you have taken Y value 4 years, or just taken Y value is more than 3 or less than 3? More than 3. Just assumption Y value are 4 years. Y value are 4 years. Okay. First, what is the first one rate of person? 10%. For 4 years means 40%. 40% of which one? 9860. 9860. 40% of 9860. What is the 10%? 986. 20%? 1972 or not? 1972. 80%? 3 9 3 9 4 4 next second one y minus 3 years 4 minus 3 1 year. What is the rate of percent? 20%. 20% of which one? 8,600. What is the 10%? 860. 20% 1720. Both are adding 5 6 6 4 5 6 6 4 5 6 6 4. What is the interest here? 8370. If you are assumption 4 years, we are getting how much? 5664. Okay, means both are in closer values. Okay, suppose if you are adding one more year, means y value 5 years. One more year are adding means first one 10% are adding, second one 20% is adding. Yes or no? First one 10%, second one 20%. What is the 10% of first one? 986. Second one 20%, 1720. Yes or no? What is the total value? 2706. Okay, both are adding how much? 8370. Means we are already assumption 4. How many years are extra taken? 1 year. Total 5 years. 4 plus 1. Y equal to how much? 5 years. Okay, what is the question here? Y minus 3 or y plus 3? Y minus 3. Answer 2. What is the normal calculation? 10 into y, percent of which one? 9860. Y minus 3 into 20, percent of which one? 8600. All these are adding equal to which one? 8370. Okay, if it is not satisfied, we are taken one more year, because y must be more than 5 or more than 3 or less than 3. More than 3. Next question number 46. M and NO enter into a partnership with an initial investment of x plus 400, x plus 300 respectively. After 1 year, they made an additional investment of 300, 500 and 300 respectively. If the total profit earned at the end of the 2 years is how much? 9,000. Find the profit share of N earned. Answer cannot be determined. What is the first one investment? X plus 400. Used for how many months? 12 months. After 12 months, how much value are added? 300 plus x plus 700 into how many months? 12 months. Yes or no? Next, second one, x used for how many months? 12 months plus x plus 500 used for how many months? Another 12 months. Third one, x plus 300 for how many months? 12 months. Another 12 months. X plus 300 plus 300. X plus 600 for how many months? 12 months. We are get the ratio between. We are get the profits ratio. We are get the profits ratio. No, because all are in including x value. We don't know the x value. An answer cannot be determined. Question number 47. M and O can do a certain piece of work in 24 days, 20 days and 36 days respectively. They started working together, but after 5 days, N left the work. Means N is how many days are working? 5 days. What is the 1 day work of N? 20. 1 day work 1 by 20. How many days are working? 5 days. What is the 5 days work? 5 by 20. 1 by 4. Means already N is covered 1/4 work. What is the remaining work? 3 by 4. The 3/4 is completed by M and O or not? Yes or no? M is working for all the days. M left the work 7 days before the completion of the work or not? Suppose total work is completed, Y days are given. Total work is completed Y days means that Y days which one are working? O is working or not? Compared to O, M how many days are less working? 7 days less working or not? Okay. What is the 1 day work of M? 1 by 24. But he worked compared to O, how many days are less working? 7 days. Then we return Y minus 7 or Y plus 7? Y minus 7. What is the 1 day work of O? 1 by 36. He worked on it for Y days, sir. What is the meaning? Y minus 7 days work of M and Y days work of O, both are adding, that is total worker. What is the denominator? 24 and 36. LCM 72. 24 how many times? 3 times. 3y. 36 means 2 times. 3y plus 2y. 5y minus 21 equal to 72 into which one? 3 by 4. 4 how many times? 18. 18 3 is 54. 54 plus 21. 54 plus 21. 75. Y equal to how much? 15. What is the question here? Y plus 3 or Y? Y plus 3. What is the answer? 18. Question number 48. The respective ratio between the monthly income of A and B is how much? 7:8. If A and B spent 2,000, 1,600 respectively in every month, the respective ratio between their savings becomes 25:32. Find the yearly average savings of A and B. What is the income ratio? 7:8. One is 7 parts, another one 8 parts. And first one's spending how many rupees? 2,000. Minus 2,000. Income minus expenditure. Income minus expenditure equal to savings. What is the savings ratio? 25:32. Income minus saving, that is equal to expenses ratio. Sorry, income minus spending. Income minus expenditure equal to saving. Income minus expenditure equal to saving. 8 how many times denominator? 1 time. 200 times. It is 1,600, not 16,000. 200 times. 8 how many times? 4 times, sir. Only denominator cancellation. Just cross multiplication. 4 into 7 parts, 28. 25 into 1 part, 25 parts. Difference is 3 parts. Next, 4 into 2,000, 8,000. 25 into 200, 5,000. Difference 3,000. 3 parts are 3,000. What is the 1 part? 1,000. Okay. What is the question here? Ratio between the find the yearly average savings of A and B. First of all, A savings. A savings means 7 parts minus 2,000. What is the 1 part? 1,000. 7 parts means 7,000 minus 2,000. 5,000. A per month savings is how much? 5,000. B savings. 8 parts minus 1,600. 8,000 minus 1,600. 6,400. Those two are monthly savings. What is the monthly savings? 11,400. Okay, but we required average savings of yearly annual multiplied by 12. That is sum of the savings in 1 year. Divide by 2. We are get the average. 2 how many times? 6 times. Then answer 684. Which option? Second option. Question number 49. The radius of the cone is 40% more than the which one? Height of the triangle. Last two questions. The radius of the cone is 40% more than the height of the triangle. The area of the triangle is 175. The base of the triangle is 4 less than the height of the cone. The height of the cone is given 18. Find the volume of a cone. Volume of a cone means 11 multiple. First option is 11 multiple. Yes. Second option is 2 options are 11 multiple means we are not take the verification. The general procedure. First, what the height of the cone is given? height of the cone 18 and base of the triangle is 4 less than the height of the cone, means base value 14 or area of the triangle is given 175, means half into base 14 into height. Radius of the cone is 40% more than the which one? Height of the triangle, means radius of the cone and height of the triangle. Suppose height of the triangle are 5 parts, radius of the cone 7 parts are 40% means what is the fraction? 2 by 5, means 2 parts are more or one is 5 parts, another one 7 parts. And what is the height value? 5 parts into 5 parts equal to how much? 175. 2 how many times? 7. 7 5 are 35. How many times? 5 times are every 1 part equal to how much? 5. 1 part value 5. Then radius of the cone is 35. Volume of a cone 1 by 3 pi r square h r. What is the pi value? 22 by 7 into r square. R value 35 into 35 into height 18. 7 how many times? 5 times. 3 how many times? 6 times. 22 into 5 110. 35 into 6 210. It will be 23100. Which option? Second option. Next question number 50. The respective ratio in the present days of M and P is how much? 8:6:7, and 10 years ends from now. The average age of M and N will be 52 years. If the age of N 6 years ago from now is 50% more than the age of O, whose age is 5 years ends, then find the average present age of M, N, O or not. First of all, M is how many parts? 8 parts. N 6 parts. P 7 parts. One condition are given. 10 years, after 10 years, the average of M and N is 52. After 10 years average 52 means present average 42 or not. Present average 42 means what is the present sum? 84 or not. Present sum of the parts is how much? 14 parts or not. Equal to how much? 84 or not. What is the one part value? 6. One part value 6. Then the age of N. N is how many parts? 6 parts. What is the 6 parts value? 36. That was 50% more than the O, whose age is 5 years. Answer first. N present value 36. 6 years back means 30 years. The age of N 6 years ago 30. That is 50% more than the O, whose age is 5 years ends. 50% more. What is the fraction? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 more means it is 3 by 2 of O plus 5 or O minus 5. O plus 5. 3 parts are 30. 2 parts are 20. That is equal to O plus 5. O equal to how much? 15 or not? Yes or no? O value 15. What is the question here? Find the present averages of M and O. M is already 8 parts. 8 parts is how much? 48. 48 plus 36 84 plus 15 99. Sum will be 99. Average means divide by 3 or not? What is the answer? 33 or not? Can I stop? రిమైనింగ్ పేపర్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన అవ్వదులే కానీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇంకా 30 minutes పడుతుంది ఇంకా పేపర్. టుడే పేపర్ ఈజ్ లెంతియెస్ట్ పేపర్స్. క్లర్క్ పేపర్ అయినా పిఓ పేపర్ అయినా బోత్ ఆర్ ఇన్ లెంతియెస్ట్ పేపర్స్. కాబట్టి అప్పుడప్పుడు ఇలాంటి పేపర్స్ వచ్చినా కూడా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయడం నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? ఈజీగా ఉన్నప్పుడు చేయటమే కాదు, హార్డ్గా వచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా అట్లీస్ట్ 60 to 70% చేయగలగాలి. ఓకేనా? ఇట్లాంటి ఒక 10 పేపర్ చేయగలిగితే మన మీద మనకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పెరుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ అర్థమవుతుంది.